Hello guys, this is Business Person your way today again. I welcome everyone here. Please, if you are new on the channel, I just want you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, guys. Don't forget, before I proceed, this is a demo account. I just quickly want to show you on how to calculate pips, okay, on the boom and crash index, how to calculate it in a very fast manner. Now guys, I want to show you that all the price you're having at the side of the screen here, which is the right side of the screen, this exactly how to calculate pips. I don't want to waste much of your time. That's exactly how to calculate pips. Now let's take, for instance, we have the first arrow on this number here. Then let me create another arrow. Then we have another arrow on this number here. Okay, so now what we do is the movement of candlestick from that point, from the lower zone, from the lower area to the upper one, which is at 111067, then you minus it, you deduct it from 111070. Okay, then we have 3 pips. It's as simple as that. Okay, and also you can say 110 cancel each other. Okay, then we have 70 and 67. 67 to 70 is just 3. It's just difference of 3. Okay, so it means that from the point at which the lower arrow is to the point at which the upper candle is just 3 pips. It's as simple as that. So that's the first method. Okay, now let me show you the second method in a very quick manner, and let me add one more thing to it, then I will end this video. So guys, let's use the crosshair, the button before the F. Let's click on it. Then you can see, let's place this candlestick at our entry. Our entry is 11073, which you have 11073 11073. Then we use our thumb to press the screen down at this point after when you have clicked on your crosshair. Then we drag it up. Okay, when we drag it up, it's not necessary we drag it up to exactly where the point of the candlestick has been. Oh, we have a spike now. Don't be bothered about that spike. Let me just do a calculation, then we forget about how to calculate pips. So this is where our candle is. Let's say, for example, this is where our candlestick is. Then you can see we have 24/6.9975. Now what I want to bring out in that is from that entry point, which is at 11073.2750, from that point to where we have another number, which is the price area at 11080. Now what we now do, based on what we've done earlier, is we deduct the higher one, the smaller one, from the higher one. We say 11080 minus 11073. Okay, we have 7 pips. Okay, we have 7 pips. Now as we have 7 pips now, okay, now if you want to know the amount that you have gotten at this point, even without looking at it from here, if you want to know the amount that you've gotten, oh, we missed that. Let me quickly do it back. Let's say at the entry to this point. Okay, let me leave it at this way. Let me use this nice example now. Now let's use this. You can see we have 184/8.4 this time. Okay, now what we now do with this is we deduct the lower one from the higher one, which is 11081. The former one is 11080, but let's use this now. 11081 minus 11073. Then we have 8 pips. It means that the movement of the candlestick from the EP, which is 11073, to that point at which we have 8.44 is just 8.4 pips. Okay, you can see the line is not exactly on the EP, which is the entry point. So we mix 0.4. Okay, so we mix 0.4. Now from that point we have 8 pips now. So at this point, if you want to know the exact amount that you've gotten, it's very simple. What you do is you look for the difference between the buying price and the selling price, which we just did now, and we've gotten the difference to be 8 pips. Okay, now 8 pips, which is the distance it has covered for either buying or selling. Okay, now if we have 8 pips, then after when you have done that, you will now multiply that 8 pips by your lot size. You know, my lot size is 1.00 for crash 1000 index, right? I'm using this example now. 1.00, you now multiply the 8 pips by 1.00, then it gives you 8, which is from the movement of the entry point, which is 11073 to 11081, has given you $8. It's as simple as that. Now let's take example. If you are using 0.20, we multiply 0.20 multiplied by 8, we get, with this you get $1.60. Okay, if you are using 0.50, now what you do is you multiply by 8 by 0.50, you get $4. It's as simple as that for either buying or selling. So that's how you can calculate the number of pips with, and how to get the exact amount that you have gotten for either profit or for either loss. Okay, so guys, if you have any question pertaining to what I've just done, you can just leave a comment in the comment section, or you click on the you check the description. Okay, then you see my Telegram, and do you click on it, you message me directly at Business Plus CEO. You message me directly. And guys, please, I want you to join the Telegram channel too. Join the Telegram channel so that I can see exactly what we're doing. We've been cashing out, we've been making money for a very long time now. So guys, thank you for staying tuned, and thank you for watching this video. And if you have any other thing to say in the comment section, guys, or you want me to do any video, I just want you to comment in the comment section below. Like the video, please, like the video, and I'll drop the video ASAP. So guys, thank you, stay blessed, and God bless you. Bye bye.